Children, in this video we are going to learn about reactions of benzene ring, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Here this benzene reactions happens only in the benzene ring. In the previous video we have learned the reactions due to OH group. Now we are going to learn about reactions due to benzene ring. So the first one is nitrosation. So phenol treated with nitrous acid HNO2 at 278 Kelvin. HNO2 nitrous acid at 278 Kelvin. OH in the para position. Para position NO group is substituted. So para nitrosophenol. Para nitrosophenol. In the para position it is substituted. Next reaction is nitration reaction. Nitration. Phenol treated with 20% nitric acid HNO3 at 298 Kelvin. We are getting two products. OH with NO2 group in the ortho position, orthonitrophenol, and NO2 group in the para position, OH NO2 in the para nitrophenol. Here 30 to 40% yield, here 15% yield. Now nitration in the presence of corn nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 298 Kelvin phenol, we are getting a product OH, NO2 group NO2 and NO2, 3 NO2 substituted, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol or picric acid. Next OH treated with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, OH with SO3H group in the ortho position, orthophenol sulfonic acid plus OH SO3H group paraphenol sulfonic acid. Orthophenol sulfonic acid, paraphenol sulfonic acid. Next, halogenation. Fourth one, halogenation. Phenol treated with bromine water, 2 molecules. So we are getting a product with the OH, Br, 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol, 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. But if the reaction carried out with bromine and carbon tetrachloride in the presence of water is a polar molecule, polar reagent. In the presence of a non-polar reagent, carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide at 278 Kelvin, we are getting two products, OH, Br, orthobromophenol plus OH, Br, parabromophenol, orthobromophenol, parabromophenol. Next, cold reaction. OH treated with sodium hydroxide. This water molecule removed, HOH is removed. So we are getting sodium phenoxide, and this sodium phenoxide treated with carbon dioxide at 400 Kelvin and 4 to 7 bar pressure, we are getting OH COONA, sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate. Then on treatment with acid hydrolysis, we are getting OH, COOH, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Next one is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. This is Kolb reaction. Kolb reaction. Next, Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Phenol with chloroform CHCl3, aqueous sodium hydroxide. We are getting an intermediate compound ONA substituted here, CHCl2. This is an intermediate compound treated with NaOH. So we are getting ONA plus with an aldehyde group. Then on hydrolysis, we are getting OH, CHO. This is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. Next reaction, phthalene fusion reaction. Phthalene fusion reaction, phenol plus, this is phthalic anhydride. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, we are getting an indicator that is called phenolphthalein. Okay. Here the bond separates into two and we are getting a phenol like this. This is an indicator, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator. Next, coupling reaction. Phenol couples with benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of NaOH. HCl removed here. So, what we are getting? N double bond N, benzene ring, OH. This is called as para hydroxy azobenzene, one of the red orange dye. Red orange dye. These are the reactions of phenols due to benzene ring. Nitrosation, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation. Halogenation with the polar solvent, halogenation with the non-polar solvent, Kolb reaction, Riemer-Tiemann reaction, phthalene fusion reaction, then last coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. These are the reactions. You have to go very simple only. Now there are two tests to differentiate alcohol and phenols. Alcohol means ordinary alcohols. Two tests. One test, that is this red orange dye, this one, para hydroxyazobenzene. This is that is phenol react with benzene diazonium chloride to form a red orange dye, but ethanol has no reaction like this. Next, number two, phenol with ferric chloride, neutral ferric chloride gives purple coloration, purple color, but ethanol, alcohols do not give such coloration. Phenols with ferric chloride, neutral ferric chloride gives purple color, but alcohols do not react like this. Third one, phenol reacts with the sodium hydroxide to give sodium phenoxide. All the reactions we have learnt, sodium phenoxide, but alcohols, ethyl alcohol does not react with NaOH. These are the tests to differentiate alcohol and phenols. Then uses of phenol. From the phenol only we are getting bakelite. One of the product bakelite, that is phenol formaldehyde bakelite. About half of the world production of phenol, this is used for phenol formaldehyde. Then phenol is a starting material for making drugs such as phenacetin, salol, aspirin, etc. Next, phenolphthalein indicator. Then explosive like picric acid. Then it is used as an antiseptic, carbolic lotion, carbolic soaps. Such a few uses they are having, phenols.